My goal here wasn't to hit a home run. It was to protect my starting money and just let it do its thing in the background. And that's exactly what it did. It went up, it went down, but it was the stable anchor for this whole project. Of course, this is where I made my first expensive mistake. After a few weeks of watching my investment do its slow, boring job, I got impatient. I saw a meme stock getting hyped up all over the internet, and the FOMO was real. I thought, this is it. The shortcut? So, I sold about $100 of my safe ETF and threw it at this one super volatile stock. For about a day, I looked like a genius. I was up 30%, but I got greedy. I held on, hoping for more, and within a week, the hype was gone and the stock crashed, taking my $100 with it. It was a painful lesson, but a valuable one. Chasing hype is a great way to lose money. With my stock portfolio chugging along, I knew I needed to take a more calculated risk if I was ever going to hit that 10x goal. The win wasn't pure luck. It was the strategy. Having that stable base in Bitcoin and Ethereum and spreading my risk across a few different bets allowed me to catch a huge win while surviving a near total loss on another. Alright, before I get to the third and most important strategy, the one that was the real engine behind this whole thing, if you're getting any value out of this story, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. I document my whole journey right here, mistakes and all, so hopefully you can avoid them. The crypto gains were awesome, but they were lightning in a bottle. What I really needed was a reliable source of cash that I could control. I needed to build an engine. This is where the last $300 went. I started a side business. Specifically, I jumped into online arbitrage for Amazon FBA. The idea is simple. You find products on sale on sites like Walmart or Target and then resell them on Amazon for a profit. And with Amazon's FBA program, they handle all the storage, packing, and shipping. My start was anything but glamorous. I spent hours scrolling through clearance sections, checking what each product was selling for on Amazon. For hours, I found absolutely nothing. My first breakthrough came from a 3-pack of men's boxer shorts from Target. They were on clearance for $20, but I saw they were selling on Amazon for $37 consistently. After all the fees, the profit was only about $6. It wasn't life-changing money, but it was proof that the model worked. I bought 5 packs. A week later, they all sold. I had turned $100 into $130. I took that $130 and immediately put it back into the business. I'd spend my nights scanning websites, finding these small wins. Before long, that initial $300 turned into over $1,000 in pure profit. This side hustle was the game changer. It was the engine, cranking out fresh cash I could then use to systematically buy more stocks and add to my crypto positions. The real aha moment happened about 4 months in. The side hustle was consistently bringing in over $1,000 a month in profit. This wasn't just a little experiment anymore. It was a real income stream. The moment it all clicked was when I took $500 in profit from my Amazon business and bought more of that S&P 500 ETF. It wasn't money from my original stake. It was